question of reaction base. This is substitution reaction. You can see this CL2 and PR2. These are substitution reactions. What is asking this question is that C7H8 undergoes the following reaction. This compound is C7H8. It goes the following reaction and form a C byproduct. So we have to find out this C byproduct. What is it? Is propanol or ambromotoline or 3-bromodeposit trichloroethylene and O-bromotoline. So basically we find out that CH3 is the one of the compound and how it is there because Cl3 and Cl from CCl3 which is the A product and on reaction it forms CCl3Br which as you can see that here they're just asking you to just react. This is a simple question as you if you know how to do a reaction question. I don't think it's that much easier. It's very much easier. I don't want to use all those uh, use my head to just do all this question because this is a simple question you get anywhere and everywhere and the solution. This is also the NCERT question. As you know, if you know the NCERT, then you can understand how this reaction is going on in this. This combining CS3, CCl3, Br2 react to form this Br. Then on zinc, there is one change going to form, which is that that's this substitute Cl3 and form CH3. These are all the learning type of learning based question. You have to know that.